to tell me about Justin? Tell me about Justin.
Oh my god.
Tell me about Justin. Why don't you tell me about Justin?
Oh
Is
gosh, I'm
he
gonna
your
keep
brother? Your daddy? No, it's your boyfriend. Let's hear about Justin.
crying. He doesn't exist.
Liar! I know Justin. His name is Justin Gray. Want to tell me about you, Justin?
Oh,
How's he doing?
he's doing good.
Just tell me. Good.
He's doing okay. He's good.
Let's hear about Justin. You going to talk to her? She's talking to Herb.
But the place is over at. I was just thinking maybe I could drop him off and then come back here. Just.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
No, I have my phone.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, I don't know how to get there.
It's right at, it's on,
You want me to just call you guys?
no, I'm trying to, it's either on Boca Raton Boulevard or Second Avenue, I can't remember which one it is. It's right near, that's right, that's it, whatever it is. Okay, yeah.
It's like, but it's like in both.
I see you're done talking to her. You want to tell me about Justin?
I'm gonna meet you guys. I'll probably hopefully I can make it back here. I guess.
You're talking to my daddy?
No, I'm not gonna pick him up. I gotta drop him off somewhere. But I'll come back, or either that, or I guess I'll meet you guys there. Whatever. You prefer okay. All right. So what do you want me to do? You want me to come back here? Cause I gotta go up north and then come back down.
Okay. I mean, otherwise you just meet us there.
Okay. All right. Cool. So I have my phone. I love Mikey. He's such a cutie.
You talking
I'm
about
never gonna
Justin?
tell you about Justin now.
Why don't you tell me about Justin?
Oh God.
You want to tell me about Justin?
I don't have any.
How about that new guy?
What new guy?
The kid that's gonna work with us Monday.
Oh no.
What about that girl with the different color hair?
Oh, she's cute. She's cute. She seems very nice.
Oh, she seems weird to me. You want to say something bad about her?
No.
Are you sure? Because she's evil. Want to tell me about Justin?
No. No. Okay, I'll be back. Craig, do you want me to take this? Yeah.
Wait, you're not
No, I'm
gonna be there.
definitely showing up.
You won't be there late.
No. No, I'll get back before 6:30. I just didn't know where you guys were. Okay, alright.
It's all on you, dog.
Okay, alright. I got my phone.
Want to tell me about Justin? Are you sure you don't want to tell me about Justin? You think this is goodbye? I'm gonna figure out about Justin.
Are you gonna chase me up here?
Yeah.
When you record that, can you hear anything?
And it goes on YouTube.
Oh, you can't put that on.
Yeah. We're following Jess all the way home. Jess, where'd she go? You thought you could escape me? Where's Justin? Where's Justin? You looking for Justin? I'm gonna practice it. Where's Justin? This is still going on YouTube. Bye-bye. Where's Justin? Woo! We just followed Jesse home all the way to our car. And now we're running inside. And now I'm gonna turn into a beast. I'm joking. But now we're going back into the office. That's Pierre. Hi, Pierre. Pierre likes Coco Santi. Okay, now we're going upstairs. That was fun following Jesse. Right? I know you had fun. I know you had fun. You can check out our other videos of Jesse at YouTube. You know, YouTube. She wouldn't tell me about Justin. I'm really upset. I followed all